Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode on this fine day out in our garden. I have no idea why I've got trousers and I should have shorts on. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are having a nice week or enjoying this hot weather at the moment. Let me know if you guys are making the most of your garden, and if you don't have a garden, what you guys are growing. But today I'm going to be showing you the first of our pepper flowers, and how to stake them up. Now, you might have seen my how to stake up my tomato episode. I think it was about 5 episodes back. We're going to do the exact same method today, and I'll go through with you what we're doing in a minute. Just before we do, I'm going to show you all the little bits again. So we've got our clip here where we put the the rope through. Well, it's not really a rope; it's sort of it's called BioStretch. So the BioStretch will go through the little hole, and we're gonna blue tack it to our greenhouse. And the next bit is we've got some blue tack, it's white blue tack here, and that's what we're going to use to stick our little clips to the greenhouse. Then we've got we've got our BioStretch, and we've got some clips to clip around the bottom of our pepper plant. So just before we do actually start staking up before we stake up the pepper that we're going to do, here are the flowers. I think there's about 3 on that plant, and there's a few more around. But the one that we're actually going to do is behind my dad now. So that's what we were hoping to do, but we don't actually have these going all the way across. So we're just going to try pull it to the see-through bit. So I've got some white blue tack here, and I'm just going around, and I'm gonna put it to the roof here. There we go. Hopefully that will stay. So I'm gonna get the BioStretch now, which is in my dad's hand. You can take the blue tack back. Right. So instead we've decided to do this because it doesn't actually stick to here. We've actually just tied it around the cane. So I need the scissors. So I've got these scissors here, and I've got my cutting points. Right, there we go, finally. So if you haven't seen it, this is the clip, and it's reusable. So you clip it on, and then you can clip it out again, like so. And this is our Leaning Pepper of Pisa. Here I just sort of named that on the spot, but I'm just about to thread this through. Double knot. I've tied a double knot now, and we are ready to clip it into place at the bottom here, probably like these. Probably where the leaves stop would be the best idea. Right. So we've got the clip into place. So I've got one bit wrapped around now, and I'm just wrapping around the next bit. And we're going to do this a few times. So I'm just wrapping around the leaves. So I've got to wrap it around under this one. Oh. Right. And we can keep on wrapping around, as it gets taller, we can keep on wrapping around the stem. I haven't done that too tightly, but we're going to do that with all of them at some point. But this one was in a bit of a desperate need. Now you can see it is the standing pepper, not the Leaning Pepper of Pisa. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As always, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. And also, if you have any questions in your garden, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try and mention it on a video. If I see your comment, I try to get round to everyone's comments, and if I don't, I'm very sorry, but I will try and mention as many people as possible. But there's 2 videos popping up now. One is it's going to be one of the episodes of making the strawberry section, where we've got our strawberries. I've eaten the only strawberry that we're going to get this year already. It was a giant. It was from our giant one, but it wasn't really giant. And the other one is one of the episodes of the big plant out weekend. But the video is about to end. I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, guys.